So we're going to do a little video here on some basic electricity. This is going to incorporate what you need for all basic electric circuits. I mean, you have to have these four items: a power source, control, some type of load, and a return path. So the power source, the pole, transformer, power lines come into the meter, goes to electrical panel. Then you'll have your hot leg here, which would be L1 on a single phase circuit. You have where the power source goes into a switch. Well, you have to have a switch on the circuit, because if you take that out and just make, straight connection, you cannot control, in this case, a resistive heater. The heater is going to be on 24/7, 365 until something burns out, poops out, or something, because you have to have a way to control that load. Your load, be a motor, a resistor, a light bulb, something, you have to have that. If you take that away, just make it where it goes from L1 through the switch to neutral, you're going to have what you call a direct short. That's where you're going to pop fuses, trip circuit breakers, because it's an uncontrolled portion of electricity going through there. You don't have a load to consume some of the electrons in there. So that will give you a direct short. Then for your return path, which in this case is going to be your neutral line here, because this is going to take the supply through the switch from the load, the return path being neutral, back to the panel and out to the street, however it goes from there. So if you take this away, you're going to have power going to the switch, which goes to load, but you don't have a complete circle. Just think of it this way: electricity travels in a circle there, okay? You have to have these four things to make an electrical circuit work. If you take any one of these out, like you take the power source out, well, you're going to have a switch, you'll have a load, you'll have a return path, but you have no power to supply the circuit. Like I said, electricity goes in a full circle portion here, just like that. Think about it. Power comes into your house, goes through the light bulb, TV, computer, cell phone charger, then goes back out to the source portion. Everything goes in a loop with that. So you have to have a power source, some sort of control, just some type of switch. Here's a SPST, single pole, single throw. Load, in this case a heater, and your return path back to the source. Thank you.